festival of Navratri is here and the city of Mumbai can be seen soaking in the devotion of Devi Jagdamba. Taking a break from the city's fast-paced life, Mumbaikars are busy in Navratri shopping to celebrate one of the biggest religious festivals of the year. Some are even planning to take a trip to famed Devi temples across India. But if being in Mumbai you are not able to travel so far, worry not. Today we take you on a divine journey to explore the top 3 Devi temples in and around Mumbai that you must not miss. Number 1 is the Mahalakshmi Temple. Mahalakshmi Temple is one of Mumbai's most famous landmarks, located by the sea in Breach Candy. Built in 1831, this temple is dedicated to Goddess Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Every year, thousands of devotees flock here to seek blessings, especially during the auspicious festival of Navratri. The compound of this temple contains several stalls that sell flower garlands and prasad used by devotees for worship and as offering. The temple houses the idols of 3 goddesses, Mahalakshmi, Mahakali and Mahasaraswati, each representing strength, knowledge and wealth. With a stunning view of the Arabian Sea as a backdrop, this sacred place is not just a center of worship but also a serene escape in the heart of the city. Be sure to visit during Navratri when the temple is adorned with vibrant flowers and lights, adding to the festive spiritual experience. Number 2 is the Mumba Devi Temple. The city of Mumbai is named after the Mumba Devi, the deity of the city. Nestled in the crowded lanes of Zaveri Bazaar is the Mumba Devi Temple. This temple is dedicated to Goddess Mumba Devi, the patron deity of Mumbai, after whom the city was named. Zaveri Bazaar is the business center of Mumbai, and for the traders there, this temple is a beacon of faith and devotion.
By the grace of Mumma Devi Ma, this Zaveri Bazaar is there.
Dating back to the 14th century, the temple is an important religious site for locals where Goddess Mumba Devi is worshipped as the protector of the city. Unlike traditional idols, Mumba Devi's idol here is a black stone statue adorned with a silver crown, nose ring and a simple sari representing humility and power. Number 3 is the Jeevdani Temple. On the outskirts of Mumbai in Virar lies the temple on top of a steep hill, the Jeevdani Temple. Located on a hill 1500 feet above the sea level is the temple of goddess Jeevdani. Jeevdani means the goddess of life. Devotees can climb 1400 steps to reach the temple or opt for a scenic ropeway ride to the top. The history of this temple dates back to the era of the Pandavas. During their Vanvas, the Pandavas invoked the Ekveera Devi over here. They named her Bhagavati Jeevdani. A visit to Jeevdani temple is both a spiritual and physical journey, especially during Navratri when the temple is beautifully decorated and thronged by thousands of devotees. The presently installed image is a very recent one. The original Sanctum Sanctorum is the hole in the niche of the cave, which is the central place of worship. A fair is held on the Dasera day, which is attended by thousands of people. And let me tell you, rest of the year, Fridays are very special over here. Each of these temples, Mahalakshmi Temple, the Mumba Devi Temple and the Jeevdani Devi Temple, represents a unique aspect of the divine feminine energy. So the next time you are in Mumbai, don't miss the opportunity to visit these top 3 Devi temples and experience the power of faith, culture and tradition. Jai Mata Di.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.